Hi, I'm Matt Gomes, and I'm a teacher here in the Construction Technology program here at Westfield Technical Academy. I got my start working in a lumber yard while I was going to community college, and I found myself wanting to go wherever the crew was that I had just sold material to build whatever it is that they were building. So shortly after that, I got my start in the field as a union carpenter for the Carpenters Local 108, and then the opportunity to teach came up. After I started in 2009, we got a CAD computer lab for our students to start to explore career opportunities in architecture, construction management, and engineering. And out here in the shop floor, we really have fine-tuned our curriculum to make sure that we're teaching all the skills that a student would need to be successful in every aspect of the construction field. When we began looking for a CNC router, it made sense to go with a company that had a good reputation and a long history of making quality tools. And the Laguna Smartshop 2 has absolutely delivered on that promise. And everything that we do here is supported by taxpayer funding, and it's something that we take very seriously when we spend money, that we want to make sure that we're using it wisely. I did a lot of research in buying our CNC router here at the school, and the Laguna Smartshop 2 was everything that I had hoped it would be and more. It was an affordable price, and it really has created a lot of opportunity for our students to learn. I think that every school should have a Laguna Smartshop 2 or some of the other machines that they make. There's a wide variety of tools available that Laguna makes. I couldn't imagine running any kind of business in construction and cabinetry without a CNC router. So if we're going to be training students to go out and work in this field, then we really can't do an adequate job if we're not using a machine like the Laguna Smartshop 2. So since we got the Laguna CNC, there's definitely more of a modern feel in the shop, and the Smartshop 2 sends a clear message to our community, to our students, and to our employers that we're committed to teaching the skills that are current and relevant to the industry as it is today, and how it's going to continue to evolve into tomorrow.
So the shop is construction technology. We come here as freshmen and graduate as seniors. And through the 4 years that we're here, we learn about everything from cabinet making to carpentry to CNC machines and all that fun stuff. But I definitely like the machine because you can design what you want and it comes out looking super cool and textured and designed, and you can just do anything that you feel would look cool, and it's all from your head and your imagination, and then it's just there. The teachers have honestly been like one of the biggest helps that you can really get here. They focus on you and what you like, and they want to get you out in the real world and get a job, and they're searching for jobs for you, and they're contacting companies, and they just really want to get you out there, and they'll do whatever it takes for you to get out there, so it's really nice.
So if you've never worked with a CNC router before, the Laguna Smartshop 2 is an amazing machine to purchase because everything is in place for you out of the box to get it set up and to know what you're doing from your first day. As a teacher, I take even more pride in my students. It's a gift to be able to be a part of the education that's going to help them to make their way in life, and for a student to sit down in front of the computer and program a part or a piece or a type of furniture that they want to make, and to see it come to life on the machine and to kind of see that light bulb go off for them is an incredible experience. So the Smartshop 2 has allowed an entirely new segment of opportunities for our students here at Westfield Tech.